morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. May I know your name?
Vinita.
Okay, Vinita, can you give me your resume? Okay. Okay, Vinita. May I know about yourself?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ambod Vinita. I am from December, but I am currently living in SR Nagar. I did my graduation BTech from Bardhaman College of Engineering in the stream of Electrical and Electronics with aggregate CGPA 7.64. I belong to a nuclear family. We are 5 members, including me. My parents are agriculture farmer. I have good knowledge in Java, Oracle, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Servlet, and also JDBC. That's all about it.
Can I ask some questions on advanced Java?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is JDBC?
JDBC stands for Java Database Connectivity. It is a API. It is a specification for developing a database application with Java programming is known as the JDBC.
Okay, that's it. Okay, what are the types of JDBC statements?
JDBC statements is JDBC statement interface is having the methods. It is used to execute the static SQL queries. In that we have 3 methods: execute and execute update and execute query. Execute method, it having the one parameter, it returns the boolean type, and execute update method is having one parameter, string type, and return type returns is integer, and execute query is returns the resultant interface. Execute method is used to execute the DDL queries. DDL means data definition language. It deals with the metadata. SQL query is execute only DDL queries. In that we have the create, alter, rename, drop, truncate. These are the DDL queries. In execute update, it is used to execute the DML queries. DML stands for data manipulating language. In that we are executing insert, delete, update. These are the DML queries. In a execute query, we have the to execute the execute query. In that we have the one in execute query used to execute the.
Okay. Don't worry, Vinita. What are BLOB, CLOB data type in JDBC?
BLOB stands for binary large object. It is used to execute and retrieve the data in binary. Used to retrieve the data. It is in that we have the methods set binary stream method. In CLOB stands for character object, character binary object. It is to execute and retrieve the character data in a single unit. In that we have the one method to set the character data, that is set a character stream.
Okay, Vinita. What are the difference between stored process and function?
Storage procedure is used to perform the business logic. In a function, used to perform the functional, used to perform the only calculation. In a storage procedure, we have the we does not have the return type. In functions, we have the return type. In storage procedure, we have one return 0 or more. In function, only returns only one value is returns. In storage procedure, we can execute input output parameters. In functional method, we can execute only input parameter. In storage procedure, you can access the exception handling. In function interface, does not accept the exception handling like try catch blocks.
Okay, Vinita. What is servlet?
Servlet is a specification for developing the publication with the Java programming is known as the servlet.
Okay. What is the connection interface and methods?
Connection interface is the interface. It is having the methods like create a statement, prepare statement, and call statement. Create statement returns the statement interface. Prepare statement returns the prepared statement interface. Prepare call returns the callable interface. In these three are the abstract methods. These three methods are returns the three methods are throws the exceptions, SQL exceptions.
Okay. Who is the responsible to create the object of servlet?
Web container is the responsible to create the object.
Okay. When the servlet object is created?
At the time of servlet first request comes to the servlet.
Okay. What is session tracking?
Session tracking is a mechanism for session management as well as the state management. Session management is identifying the client. State management is the removing the all the client. In that we have the three techniques: cookies, URL rewriting, HTTP sessions, and hidden form.
Okay, Vinita. What is the directory structure of the web application?
First, we need to create the web application structure. In that, first we need to create web application. Web application structure. We need to create the root folder. You can give the name of any name. In that root folder, you need to create one web.nf. In that you can create the classes. In that you can write the dot class files. In web.nf folder, you can create one more folder, that is a lib folder, and that you can add the jobs. In a web.nf folder only you can create like a web.xml file. In root folder, you can create the HTML or CSS files, image. These are the you need to create. After that, create and compile the source code program like servlet program. In next, you can configure you can write the web.xml file description we need to write. After that, jar file we need to create. After that, start the server. After that, close the deploy the web.var file to the server.
Okay, Vinita. What is the difference between servlet configure and servlet context?
Servlet context and servlet configure. Servlet configure is whenever servlet configure is called by the web container whenever the init method is called by. In servlet context, called by the web container whenever the deployment of servlet. In servlet context, servlet configure we need to use it to retrieve the initialization parameter from the web.xml file. In servlet context, use it to store and retrieve the initialization parameter from the web.xml file. In servlet configure, it is specific to the all users, but in a servlet context, it is the common for the all.
Okay. What is the difference between get and post method?
Get and post method, these two are the HTTP methods. Get is a default method in that for communicating in the servlet. Post method is not a default method. If we want to the post method, we need to mention the explicitly. In get method, if the size is limited. In same post method also same, size is limited. Get method is not secure. Post method is secure. In get method, get the data from the server and not for updation. Post method is for retrieving the data from server and updating. In get method, it can show in address bar. It is initialization parameter display on the address bar. In post method, initialization parameters not display on address bar. In get method is idempotent, request is idempotent, post method is not idempotent. In get method is fast compared to the post method. Post method is slow compared to the get method.
Okay, Vinita. What is the difference between generic servlet and HTTP servlet?
Generic servlet is a class. It can this class is can overridden by the one method, that is the service method. HTTP session is cannot be overridden. They cannot be overridden any methods. HTTP servlet is protocol independent. HTTP session is a protocol dependent. HTTP sessions is common services. HTTP sessions like is a specific to the HTTP session services. In a generic servlet, all the services can access. Common services can access. In example, the servlet forwarding and including. In a HTTP sessions, in that we can common both common and specific. Like example, servlet redirecting and session tracking.
Okay. What is filter and what is method?
Filter is a object that redirect deactivating inserted between request and response. In that we have the three methods, init and do filter, dash time methods. So these are the life cycle method. In filter also, like as the servlet, if we want to run the filter is run in server side. If we want to run the server side program, we are using the life cycle methods.
Okay, Vinita. Can you write about WebXML configure servlet context?
Yes.
Can you please? Vanja. Our team will get back to you.